Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Love you loads. So today I am going to take you through what's in my Gucci bag. Yes guys. So this is my bag that I use for all my traveling purposes because it is so lightweight. That is very important. நம்ம traveling பண்ணும்போது அவ்வளோ things உள்ள வைக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ அதனால bag has to be super lightweight. இல்லைனா அது extra weight ஆயிடும்ல நம்மளுக்கு. So that is the reason I'm using like super lightweight my Gucci bag. And yes, like you can see, this is a scarf that I like to keep it very free flowing, and also in the scarf பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்ப ஸ்டைலிஷாகவும் இருக்கும், but at the same time it will be very useful also when we are traveling. So this is my bag that I pack when I have to travel, like say for 3-4 days maybe. If I have to plan to go to a nice beach vacation place, or especially during summer or especially during winter holidays when I really like to go to the beaches. For example, it could be Hawaii, it could be Goa, it could be Pondicherry, anything, right? So this is the secret that I carry inside my bag. So today I'm going to unreveal it and I'm going to open up and show you all the things that are there inside this secret bag. Okay, so first is the scarf, and in the scarf it's so useful because whenever we want we can style it up. You can wear it like a headband, you can wear it like a top, you can wear it just over your shoulder like this, you can wear it like a scarf, you can wear it like a bandana, whatever you want. And such a nice cool color. You can even tie it up with your hair at the back, like with your ponytail, just to amp up your look. So this is a scarf which is a mandate for me. Also number beach pomode and all that, it is very useful to protect yourself if you don't really want to get sunburned but at the same time want to be at the beach. It helps in protecting yourself, right? So this is that scarf. Now next up, I'm going to show you every single thing that is there inside this bag. Right, so let's open it up one by one. So of course என்னோட skincare has to be there. In the Laneige water bank blue hyaluronic பத்தி நான் already டீட்டெயிலாக பேசியிருக்கேன். So this one has toner, emulsion, serum and a cream. So 4 ஐட்டம்ஸும் இருக்குது. இது டீட்டெயிலாக ஆல்ரெடி நான் என்னோட வீடியோவில் காமிச்சிருக்கேன். So this has to travel with me, and இது basically ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்காக ஒரு travel pack. So travel pack இருக்கிறனால it is very comfortable to carry these miniatures. So one is this. Next up has to be my sunglasses. Yenge ponalo sunglasses is a mandate, so I love wearing Ray-Bans. So this is my Ray-Ban, especially when I'm going to the beach location. I like to carry this. So this is my Ray-Bans that go with me always. And of course, idu tandi I have a couple of 4-5 more Ray-Bans which I pack in my suitcase, or different kind of sunshades. You want to wear different sunshades with different outfits, so adukage, but என்னோட main handbag la idu kandipa irukum. Then of course I have my iPad. In the iPad la I will upload all my films and keep it ready. So for my, if I'm going on the flight, it's useful. Sometimes in the car also I like to watch some movies, or if there's any like in between time my holiday, I like to binge watch some films, maybe late night and all that. So that is why the iPad, and also helps me in continuing my work. Generally holidays can really work panukudadu, but you can't really help it, so sometimes I do. So that's why I carry my iPad. Next up, I'm going to show you what is there in my pouch. So in the pouch la pathina, I have my toner, which is my Arabian Blooming Jasmine Witch Hazel toner. Then I have my aloe vera gel. After getting sunburnt, this gel really helps. So always carry aloe vera gel with you, especially when you're going out to beach locations. Then I have my dry shampoo because not really like every day you can wash your hair, because I generally get a migraine if I wash my hair every day, and especially when you go to the beach, your hair humidity இருக்கிறனால அந்த salt water இருக்கிறனால hair எல்லாம் ரொம்ப frizzy ஆயிடும், ரொம்ப sticky ஆயிடும். ஸோ அதுக்காக I use this particular dry shampoo from Batiste. So this is the one. Then of course my sunscreen. I've spoken a lot about the Charlotte Tilbury SPF 50 PA+++++, and my dermatologist approved sunscreen, so Radiban. So if I get too much of redness or anything, I go for this. This is very mild. Avlo redness illa skin normal ah irukuna, I go for this. So these are the sunscreens. Then of course my miniatures perfumes. So I have this one from Dior called the Swatch, and then I have another one from Dior that is a J'adore. I don't like to carry like big perfume bottles in my handbag and it becomes very heavy. So these miniatures really help. Then of course I have a comb, which is a very easy to use foldable comb. So in the comb pathina, I have these thin ones and I have this. So if your hair is wet, you can use this side, and if your hair is dried, you can use this side. So this is a comb that is foldable, doesn't occupy too much space. Then I have my roller. So in the one roller and one clip, I always carry it so that front I can roll it and keep. You know, suddenly I want to take a picture and I want my hair to be super bouncy. I always carry this one particular roller and clip with me. And then I have my hand cream from L'Occitane. Smells amazing, amazing product. So this is what this particular pouch has. Alright, now next I'm going to show you, of course, my wallet. So this is a super stylish wallet that I have with this very cute butterfly on it, and this has my ID cards, it has all my credit cards, my debit cards, it has a lot of change, cash, my general cash, and my Aadhaar card, my license, my PAN card, my voter's ID card. So all of that goes in this. So wallet, of course, it's a must. Then I have this cute little umbrella. I like to carry this umbrella because திடீர்னு மழை வந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், அப்படி தான் ஒரு வாட்டி கோவா போகும்போது என்னோடய பர்த்டே லாஸ்ட் இயர் போகும்போது அவ்வளோ மழை அங்கே. So this is this cute little umbrella that I got from Darjeeling. இந்த வாட்டி லாஸ்ட் இயர் நான் டார்ஜிலிங் போகும்போது உள்டாயிடுச்சு. So this is the umbrella. It's so cute. Look at this. Look at the sides, right? It's so cute. In the pattern paranga evlo cute ah irukku. So I carry this umbrella with me just in case it starts raining and I want to protect myself. Next we have sunscreen. Once again, this is amazing Copper Tone Sport 54-in-1 performance sunscreen. This is great for your body. You can just spray it. So it has a lock, so that way it doesn't leak. You can just spray it and apply it all over your hand. Amazing product, guys. For my body, I always use this, and one madri copper tone kudukum, so it gives you that entire beach glow. So this is the sunscreen. Next up, I have this foldable hat, of course, because I want to protect myself from the sun. So this particular foldable hat in inoda collections la na pesirken. So this is my Gucci hat. So this always comes with me, like or madri foldable, but you can carry whatever works for you. Then of course I have my clutch. So this is like a statement clutch, always has to be there. I like to carry my own towel or tissue or whatever, because or clean soft towel en kaiyila irukno. Of course the hotels where you go and stay, you will have it, but still. Then I like to carry a cotton mask. I don't like to carry those disposable masks because it kind of makes your skin very rough. So or cotton mask irukradhu is very important. Okay, so next in this collection of my handbag, I have this cute little pouch from London, Soho, New York. So in the pouch la pathina medicines, of course medicines are very important. So I like to carry my balm. So in the balm pathina, like I have a problem with dust allergy. So I start sneezing, kaala enchu odane nariya thumbal alla varum. So adanale I carry this. It's just a lot of herbs. I picked this up in Thailand, and nariya idile herbs irukkum, so it's like a herbal inhaler. This has to travel with me. So of course I have my Saridon, my Disprin, my Band-Aid, my Samahan, my Eno. Then I have my Pantacid for any acidity issues, because nama nariya velila saapduvom. And then I have my Zerodol, which is a paracetamol. Then of course I have my mouth sprays, because as I said, nariya tea coffee saapduven. Then I have my basic moisturizer, idu or safety purpose kaage, and my lip balm. So this lip balm is from Laneige. It's the Lip Cherry Glow Balm. This is very good, especially if you're traveling in dry weathers. Very good balm. So this is the next pouch. I'm going to keep it here. Next we have this cute little fan. So if you are in the beach, you can just feel the of course you'll feel a lot of air from the beach, but analo suppose suda indadu traveling la, car la, bus la, van la, whatever, this is a very cute portable mini fan that I got from Portronics. Chargeable, portable, very useful. So this travels with me. Then I have this cute little mirror from Bobbi Brown. You can get any mirror that you want. So in the mirror pathina, it is very very useful, especially when I want to do my lipstick shade, my makeup shade, etc etc. So this travels with me. Then I have my, of course, my lipstick, touch up lipsticks and all those things, and my AirPods, very important to listen to music, to watch movies. And finally, last but not the least, right? So I have emptied my entire bag just to let you know. See this? It's empty. Now, last but not the least, this is a very cute little pouch I got from KLM Airlines when I was going to the US in the business class. So they gave it to me. In the pouch, na eduthu save panni vachirken. Such a cute little pouch. In the pouch, again, I have, like, you know, if you're taking the flight or something, what happens is, you like airport travels, you might want to wash your face. So adanale I have this very cute little Tatcha rice face wash. Again, another moisturizer, because my hands and legs and all get very dry. Then of course rubber bands. Then I have another face moisturizer from Tulip and New Rituals. Then I have toothpaste, cute little small toothpaste. Always when you're going for long trips, you have to have your toothbrush and toothpaste. Of course, hotels like irkom, but still you never know. You might as well carry it. Then I have my normal lip balm, which is while drying and all that. See, this is more like a glossy lip balm. This is more like a night le tunga modalla kaga. It is very useful. Na generally night ku use panamate. So this is the one which I use for the night. Then I have some basic socks if I'm feeling cold, right? So carry some basic socks with you. Another pair of socks, maybe if you want to give it to your friend or to anybody else, or if this one pair of socks gets dirty, you can use the other pair of socks if you're not able to wash it. And then of course my eye mask for me to sleep. And then a cute little pen and a diary. I forgot to keep the diary right now, but I always carry a diary and pen. And then these are just earbuds. So, you know, when you're going even beach areas and all that, when you want, like, you can use earbuds. So this is it, guys. So of course it's like literally carrying the whole suitcase in your handbag. So this is all my collection is. And let me know in the comment section, like, you know, any funny incidents that would have happened with you, if you would have forgotten something. Like, honestly, once when I was traveling, I actually forgot to carry cash in my wallet. I didn't have any cards with me, any cash with me. Luckily என்னோட passport என் பேக்ல இருந்தது, இன்னொரு பேக்ல. ஸோ அதனால I was safe, but didn't carry any money. So if you have any funny incidents like that, do share it with me, and I would love to know if you guys have any doubts or any other questions regarding any of the products that I have shown you. But make sure that right now I have not packed my water bottle yet. So make sure you always keep a water bottle in your handbag, so that a small miniature size water bottle. Make sure that you carry your medicines, very very important. And you know, make sure you carry all your necessary items, like your face wash, your moisturizer, your toner, your sunscreen. Very 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 important, guys. Carrying your sunscreen, especially when you're going to the beach, is very important. So this is it. We are at the end of the video, and I hope you like watching this. And let me know if you have any comments, any doubts. I would love to answer to all of you. Take care. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye bye.